Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the columns bigger in Google Sheet. So here I've already have my data on Google Sheet, and then if you want to make the columns bigger, there are several ways, and I'm going to show you each way. And then the first is just go to the column, select a row or column, in this case column, to resize to make it bigger. For example, this column, and then right click the column and then choose resize column, this one, and then here just enter a custom height or width to fit to the data, for example like this, and then click on OK. As you can see, the column is now bigger. And then the second way is you can just drag the edge of the column like this until it appears at the until the arrow appear, and then drag it to the right like this. Okay, and then the next way is just double click the column, the edge of the column, like this, like so. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make the columns bigger in Google Sheet. So if you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.